Swooshless Air Jordan 1 Low NS is making a return in fall 2025 with the striking ice blue python colorway. Originally launched in 2017 alongside the Arctic Orange and Off-White editions, the ice blue model stood out for its premium python textures, smaller scales on the toe and quarter panel, larger ones on the heel and forefoot. While the original pairs were often found in outlet stores, resale prices have surged since 2021, hovering above $250. The all-sale sole unit adds a clean contrast to the bold upper. This marks the third NS, no swoosh, retro to return, following the triple white and black and sail colorways. Jordan brand first introduced the NS line in 2016, offering a more minimalist and luxury-driven take on the classic Jordan 1 Low. Now, the renewed lineup, including this ice blue pair, is expected to retail for $145 in adult sizing as part of the brand's fall 2025 offerings.